often some of these habits that we're trying to change get triggered from having a really stressful day, or we come home and we're exhausted and our brain just says, screw it, I'm just going to do my old habits. I know eating healthy would be good for me, but I'm just going to order out. These can be great opportunities for us to bring curiosity in and ask ourselves, what do I truly need right now versus what do I want? And that curiosity can help us open up and take care for ourselves and say, look, yes, you did have a tough day. Is eating a pint of ice cream actually caring? Is that self-care or is that self-indulgence? And so the curiosity can help us notice where we might be moving, which is often, say, if we're a stress eater, toward the refrigerator or the freezer, and pause and just say, oh, there's that habit again. Is this really self-care? And be curious. And even if we do it, care for ourselves, it's like, okay, what can I learn from that? Can I lean into that? Can that obstacle become the way, in terms of the way that I can learn how my mind works, and then eventually learn how to work with my mind?